We are thrilled to introduce to you Core Tools, LoopCut. This tool will allow you to add new edge loops in a fast, easy, and precise manner with snapping. The tool has two main modes. First is Even, the default mode, which provides evenly distributed loop cuts. Second one is Pick Side. This mode cuts an edge loop with a fixed offset from nearest edge loop. Side choice depends upon mouse cursor position over a highlighted edge center. If cursor crosses the highlighted edge center, side will switch. There's additional third mode. We'll talk about it more in a bit. Pick Side mode has two extra settings. Dynamic, where loop will follow mouse cursor, and fixed offset, which allows you to type an absolute real-world value, and results in a loop cut having exact offset from nearest edge loop. Offset value works as any other numerical slider in Blender, so you can type desired values and specify it by adding m for meters, cm for centimeters, or mm for millimeters. Now on to the third additional mode. To make a cut directly in centers of edges, just click middle button with Shift and Alt keys pressed. Hotkeys can be changed to your liking. Selected Only allows you to make cuts only to a certain selected area. Your initial selection will be kept until you manually deselect or change it. To make a cut, simply left-click. You can slide the loop cut and position it where you need it to be by clicking and dragging. Use snapping to make everything precise. Notice that snapping will happen for a highlighted blue dot over a highlighted edge. Press Ctrl key to enable snapping, if snapping was disabled before you started the cut. Pick Side mode allows you to switch the initial side while you click and drag your initial loop cut into position, by simply pressing F key. Notice that the loop will be flipped around the blue highlighted point. You can press F in fixed offset mode to change the position of loop cut as well. Settings can be found in Tools section on In Panel. For quick access, right-click or set up a hotkey in Add-ons Preferences. To change colors to your liking, use Preferences as well. We hope you enjoy our tool. Find more information in the description.